My work tends to be focused on the environment, and the main kind of thrust of it is about waste and human imposition on nature. So this space, I think, cries out for quite large work, and I wanted to stretch myself anyway and challenge myself. So I just had this idea to make a series of stilt structures. And I've got about 5 medium to big ones, and then I've got a few little maquette babies. It's about the history of the place. So the whole project is about going back in deep time, but then looking forward into the future. So there's a sweet track that was built way back 3,800 BC, and that was the way early humans got about when the sea had just started sinking back and it was a sort of marshland. That's all that's the only way they could navigate, go across between the islands, in the islands of Avalon. So there's this sort of image of these stilt walkways, and using stilts as a way of survival. And to me, all the way through history, stilts are a sort of symbolism, or a symbol of adaptation, survival. And I kind of have a background in Kenya, Africa, so quite used to sort of seeing unusual creatures like giraffe and camels wandering around, and with great big bundles on their backs. For example, Somali nomadic tribes carry all their homes on their camels, and they become these amazing elaborate bundles that are just ridiculously huge for these poor stilty camels.